Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today we are going to learn about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. I repeat, what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. What does it mean by naming word? Naming word means noun is used to describe the names of person, place, animal or thing. Now let's see everything in detail. As I told you earlier, noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Person can be anybody, like for example, Sam is the name of a person. Reem is a girl, name of a person. Or teacher, or policeman, firefighter. So, person can refer to anybody. Now, the next is place. Place, you can say any place in this category. It can be park or beach or name of the countries, like for example America, China, any country. Is it clear? Paris, France, any country falls under this category. The next is animal, like lion, tiger, dog, cat, monkey, donkey, any animal, okay? Or things. Things can be anything, like bat, ball, pen, pencil, and so on. So, noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. All these together form nouns. Now, let's have a quick recap of what we learned. Noun is a naming word. A noun is used to describe the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now let's have a look at some of the examples. A bird flew into the classroom. So, what is the noun here? So, in this sentence, bird is a noun because it is the name of an animal, and classroom is the name of the place. Now look at the second sentence. My mother gave me a gift. Mother is the name of a person. Gift is the name of a thing. Ali left his book on the table. Ali is the name of the person. Book is the name of the thing. Table is the name of the thing. Tom went to Dubai yesterday. So, Tom is the name of the person. Dubai is the name of the place. The cow is in the field. Cow is the name of an animal. Field is the name of the place. So, whenever you are looking at the sentences, try to figure out whether you can able to find name, place, things, or animals. So that's it. Okay, students, now it's your turn to work on these sentences. Okay, I want you to go fetch a book and a pencil very fast and come back to your places. Work on these sentences. If you want, you can even pause the video and then check your answers at the end of the video. Come on, start doing. Okay, students, now it's time to check your answers with mine. The first sentence is, his book and pencil are on the table. So here the nouns are book, pencil, and table. The woman in the car is my aunt. Women and car, aunt. The children are in the class. Children, class. I saw a lion in the zoo. Lion, zoo. Ben and Sam were playing in the park. Ben, Sam, park. I hope your answers matches with mine. If so, you really deserve a star. Well done. So now you know what a noun is, but the lesson doesn't end here. Still, nouns are further classified into various types. Nouns are classified into different types like concrete nouns, abstract nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, collective nouns, compound nouns, possessive nouns, regular plural nouns, irregular plural nouns. I don't want to make my video too long, students, so I would prefer to stop my lesson here. But if you wish to have more information on each of these topics, then you can type, like for example, compound nouns, and if you write the name of my channel like friend for learning, then you will come up with the lesson for that particular topic, and I have covered all the 8 types of nouns for your reference. I hope you understood the lesson very well, and thanks for watching Friends for Learning. Subscribe to my channel if you want to receive more educational videos like this. Thank you.